Welcome back to my channel. It's Tia Shanice. Today's hair review is going to be on Luvme hair. This is the Jerry Curly headband wig. This wig and this company did send me also a couple of headbands to go with this wig. This is the first company that actually gave me this amount of headbands to go with this wig. Usually it does come with just one headband, but I'm so excited that they give me about 5 different headbands. The headbands are in a soft cotton material with the elastic in the back. It also comes with a goodie bag with a Luvme pen, bobby pins just in case you need it, and an edge brush to lay them edges down. So I'm so excited about receiving all these goodies and can't wait for y'all to see the results. Now this is the Jerry Curly headband wig. It does have 4 combs in the inside. The curls are very defined. It's so soft to touch and is layered at the bottom and is very thick. I believe it's like 180 density. The straps on it can adjust so you will not have a problem adjusting it with your head. So I'm gonna stop with the voiceover and go ahead and install this wig. Y'all see the luscious curls on that hair. So I do have my scarf on. I have some fresh braids underneath. And the first thing I want to do is my baby hairs. We'll try to do my baby hairs. I am taking my 24 hours. And I am going to use my old edge brush instead of the new one. And I am just going to do my baby hairs. It is a Jerry curl. It sort of will remind you of a, sort of like, you know, that tight candy curls when you used to getting ready for Easter. The curls are really like, I'm curious to see what it's going to look like when I pull it apart. I haven't yet pulled it apart because I wanted y'all to see exactly how it looks before I actually do that. So I haven't pulled it apart or anything. I haven't did nothing to it. This is like my first really actual review on it. I haven't worn it, haven't washed it. On these headband wigs, I do not co-wash it. You can if you want, if you're like scared of like bacteria and stuff like that. But you know, I'm gonna leave it with the Lord and have faith that it's clean and sterile, so I won't have no problems in the future. But I was thinking about actually coloring this wig, but I wanted to see how it looks naturally like this first before I really make any changes to it. Because I do not want to ruin it, because this hair, I believe, is going to look the most natural out of all the other headband wigs that I did try before. So I'm really excited about this one because I feel like it's the most natural looking. The texture of the wig is, well, it's kind of like, let me push this back a little bit. The texture of the wig is more like a, you know, regular old virgin hair compared to the kinky. It's definitely not a kinky texture at all. It's not a kinky texture at all. The hair is nice and silky. It has a slight shine to it. It's really soft, but these curls are really tight. The color is sort of brown. You can't really tell, but it does have like a sort of brown look. Now going up to the headbands, you don't see anything. This wig is super, super thick, like super thick. Now, if y'all can look closely at how the tracks are laid close together. So that's how thick this hair is. You don't see anything. And the hair on this one, I thank God, because it's not like short at the top and long at the bottom. Like it's longer at the bottom, but the curls ain't all the way up here. It's sort of like down layered at the bottom. So whenever it will be on, it will have a more layered effect. So I am going to apply this wig, and y'all know I don't adjust my straps. I go ahead and just put it on, but if I need to, I will. So I do just go ahead and put it on like this. Y'all, I haven't even put this wig on my head, so I have no idea what it's going to look like. So putting this wig on, I must got a big head because it is not fitting. So let me just adjust my straps a little bit. This is it just out. This is how it looks, just out without doing anything to it. Of course, I'm not going to leave it like this. I do have my handy dandy wide tooth comb, and I'm gonna try to brush out these curls just a little bit because oh, this is looking so natural. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I am gonna just comb the hair out. It is kind of hard to comb these curls out. Like if you were to just pull them apart, it'll probably be so much better. But I want the kind of worn look, or the kind of um the look like you untwisted the twist instead of just pulling them apart. So I do want it to look like it's worn. Y'all, this is so pretty. Like, I love how big it's getting. This is like so pretty. So I am just gonna keep combing it out just a little bit, not too much. I want to keep some of it intact still, but just a little bit just combed out, just so it can give it the volume that I'm looking for. And you can see where the layers do come in effect. It does give that gradient layer effect. At the bottom, I am getting a little bit of tangling, of course, because these curls are super duper tight. But I'm just going to comb it out just a tad bit more and just pull the rest out with my fingers just like that. And let me get this part because I think this curl is not separating. So y'all see how big and beautiful this hair is. Like, I didn't expect this, so I'm actually really excited. Really excited. All right, so I was just playing with it and swinging it around or whatever. So I am tossing it, and of course, if you want that same look, you'll just have to keep pulling out the curls. It's so easy to pull out the curls. Am I getting shedding? Not really. It's just getting snags, I guess, at the bottom, and that's about it. So you can have it on the side if you choose to. I prefer the middle, of course. But the side is really cute and natural as well. And as you can see, there's the band, and I do have it, of course, hooked in the middle of my braids, and then I put the rest of the band over my braids. So that is how it is looking, y'all. This is so pretty, so gorgeous, perfect for the fall. So you can wake up and go. So I want to try a couple of other styles with this wig, just so y'all can see the different varieties it can do. And I have it pulled here. I'm gonna take this and just wrap it around, and then have that clip in the back. And that's how it is, y'all. This looks so super natural. Like, that's how my texture looks like. I don't know about y'all, but my texture looks just like this. So that is super, super cute. Super cute. And it's super thick in the back where you don't feel or see anything. All you really see is the band. And that's basically it. Yeah, so that's basically it. I am going to try one of these scarves with it because I've been seeing that a lot lately, and I feel like it is super, super duper cute. I don't know which one I want to try because I had on a plaid shirt, so nothing really goes with a plaid shirt. Material, the headbands are like cotton. They're really extremely soft. They're extremely soft, so I wouldn't expect this to pull your hair at all. Just try to put it up. Ooh, ooh, look at her. Y'all, oh my God. See, this would be cute if you put it over the ponytail too. But I'm not going to do it like that. I am just going to put it over. Oh my gosh, y'all. So I've been seeing a lot of people put the actual headbands on, and I haven't. But I'm going to just put it slightly above my ears, slightly on my ears, and spread the headband out to cover up the hair. Put this in the middle, slick down my baby hairs a little bit more. Take this bad boy down. And I am looking like somebody now. Voila. And you can push all of this back if you absolutely have to. And that is how it looks with the headband. I have my headbands on top of my ears. And you can still see my baby hairs. You see no band at all whatsoever. And that is exactly what it will look like. I am going to put some water in it to see what happens. Okay, so when you put water in it, it's so much easier to manage. I'm not gonna lie. So I feel like I can definitely comb through this a lot better, putting water in it. Now, I don't want to drench it too much. I am gonna just show y'all one side, just so you can see like if you wet it, and the curls do come back, and that is so pretty. So the curls do come back when you wet it, so that is so good. So I guess if you had a long day after combing everything out, the curls will come back, and will come back in place, because y'all look how it was before. You can see, and look how more defined it is now. You can definitely tell a difference. It's about the same. And put a little mousse in this. Put a little mousse. And for some reason, I feel like it's so much hair when it's like this. And the other way, I feel like the other way looks more natural than this actual wet look. But you can put it up if you want. And do whatever. So all the curls are actually back defined. Can y'all believe that? After all that combing I was doing earlier, all the curls are back defined. That is crazy. All right, so y'all see my top knot. When I tell y'all this looks so natural, y'all will be fooling so many people with this hair. And it is like snug, y'all. This looks super natural. Like super natural. Oh, I'm about to go to the store. Let me, put my hair up in a bun. Yep. So, yes, that is my top knot. Everything is flat. It could be a lot flatter, but this is only for demonstration purposes. It's not like I'm actually wearing my hair like this. Unless, so yeah, so when your hair, when it is wet, it's so much easier to manage. Like y'all can put like styles, putting it up is so much easier to manage. When it's down, it's nice and full and fluffy. There is a little bit of tangling, there's a little bit of shedding, which is expected, but this hair texture is amazing. Like it's the best hair texture I ever had. Like this hair texture, jerry curl, like I never had a jerry curl before. Like this is like perfect for natural hair, people. Like y'all, I got natural hair, I got natural kinky hair, like, but this right here, it blends so nice. Like it looks so good. Y'all see my little baby hair is trying to come on out, but this looks so good. So yes, I'm so excited about this hair and changing up my headbands. This is Luvme hair. Out of all the headband wigs I have, this is the best headband wig because of the actual texture. Like, I thought kinky was good until I met Jerry. So yes, haven't yet done so, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the bell so y'all can be notified of when I do post next. So again, this is the Jerry curly wig headband wig from Luvme hair. Everything will be linked down below, everything, so y'all make sure y'all catch all of that. They got a big sale right now, so make sure y'all catch all of that, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.